So in this video we are gonna basically go in and create the opportunity to like the user, because we forgot to add in can like. Maybe just to have a little bit more structure, we can add in here that. And then we are also gonna go in and test the code. So by going in and adding can like, and then going in here, I'm now gonna sign in with two different kind of users. First of all, we are gonna sign in with this user, and we are gonna like the first post we have with this user. So now what you can go in and do is we have into the API like post, and this is the number, the ID of the post, which is the first one. We can pass in an alpha token key, and then we can go in and like it. So now if we go in and do it with the other one here, again we have another token here. Copy and paste this. Just go in and add it up in the token, the VueJS token, and you will be able to see we have two different kind of posts. That's been liked. So now what we can go in and do is we can just go in and basically test out this post that should receive all of the likes. So just by adding all. So if you now go in API post like in here, we get the exact same result, but if we press again, it will not dislike any of it. So now we have the opportunity to basically like or dislike a post. Now just to test this out, we want to just be sure that this will work perfectly fine. So I can go in and dislike and like, and basically when I said dislike, you don't dislike the post, you just unsubscribe from that like. So you don't have like two different kind of like functions, you just have one. And the idea behind this is we are just gonna be able to remove the like or add in a like. So by using this all method here, we're gonna be able to receive all of the likes in the entire post, and then by doing that we can run a search function to get the image of the people that's like the post. So that's all for this video, and we will see you in the next video where we're beginning with the front end.